Hello, welcome to Machine Learning at Home. Today I will speak about very basic R. I was impressed, not exactly positively impressed, with R example which was put into called Rosetta Code pages of very good book. Book is Practical Computing for Biologists. And they wanted to demonstrate some basic features of the language. So for R, they give the following example. Let me type it and you will understand what is going on. So that example contains two cycles. So you will see some pluses when you type it. First of all, you need the first cycle for letters in. Letter in 65 to 72. And then opening brace. Then second cycle for number in 1 to 12 and second open brace. Then the core function cut, and then a bit strange function, but it works, int to UTF-8, and that function will convert numbers to UTF representation letter, and then we'll put number here and we'll put a space, and finally we'll specify separator. Okay, looks like we did everything, so we should close the first brace and also add another cut. Cut will be just return the end of line, \n, and we'll close the first brace and things should start to work. Yep, it works. As you see, creators of example want to make kind of chessboard, playboard with numbers and letter. So they should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters and 12 numbers combined together. Easy, and this should be exactly that sort of table. So I'm good with that example because it demonstrates some interesting functions so far, but I'm not good with the way how they did it, because one of the basic things in R is to avoid cycles. So please avoid cycles, and I will show you how to avoid cycles. That's actually why I'm starting this video. I want to show how to avoid cycles and make very similar, almost the same table. So first of all, we need the same C8C, because to output anything we need something which will print on the screen. So cut function is perfect for that. It will print empty string first, and then it will be paste function which concatenate character vectors. So paste with complicated arguments. So I put two closed parentheses immediately just to make sure that everything is in place. And then what should be within a paste? Within a paste we'll put function rep for repeating. So again, two parentheses, open and closed. What we should repeat? We should repeat exactly these letters and numbers. So letters uppercase is one of embedded in our objects, which contains uppercase letters. Very easy to remember. So we need first 8 letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? And then we'll repeat it, each of them 12 times. So here we say each equal to 12. But we also need to place numbers. And for numbers we need a second argument of paste. And we say C 1 to 11, and then for number 12 it's a little trick. I simply put 12 and return the new line. And we actually want to make paste without separators. So for that reason, paste 0 is more applicable function. We don't need to specify any separator in that case. So let me see. Looks like I miscounted something, and let me count my parentheses. 1, 2, 3 opening, 1, 2, 3 closing, but there is also cut. Let me see. Rep is here, each 12, then C 12, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 additional ones in the middle. Looks like everything should work. Let me see if it works. No, something is wrong. Let me see. Okay. Yep, but this is not exactly what I wanted. I wanted something else. So I want paste, repeat. Oh, I forgot one important thing. So they should be also C function, because how we combine together everything. Ooh, that's really bad of me. So I will need C, and will finally put my lost parentheses. Yes. So with some mistakes, and I insist that my videos should contain mistakes, because every normal person always doing mistake, and I'm always doing mistake. So the thing is to correct them. So you see, I counted parentheses, and I remember that I forgot function C. So I corrected my mistake, and now I see exactly what I wanted to see. So the table with letters and numbers, but without any cycle. So look on that phrase. Cut, paste, rep, C. Complicated. It's possible to make mistakes, as I did, but as you see, no cycle. So this is a good example of how to convert cycle-like structure in any function. For example, you can receive code in Python. You need to convert it in a way to avoid cycles. So this is a very important principle of R, and if you learn it, everything should be easier. You will not get rid of mistakes, they will appear, but you will be able to correct them and have a perfect code. Thank you very much.